In this video, we listed the 5 best Ugreen docking station on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ugreen CM639 Docking Station. The Ugreen Dual HDMI USB-C hub is a versatile 10-in-1 docking station designed for seamless connectivity across various devices, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android systems. It features dual HDMI ports capable of supporting 8K at 30Hz and 4K at 60Hz resolutions, along with a 1000 megabits per second RJ45 Ethernet port, USB-A and USB-C ports for data transfer, and SD/TF card slots that allow simultaneous reading of 2 cards. With a power delivery capability of 100 W, this hub is ideal for users needing fast charging and efficient data transfer at speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. The compact and portable design makes it suitable for both office staff and content creators, while protective measures ensure safe usage. Ugreen offers a 1-year warranty and 7-day return policy, enhancing customer confidence in their purchase. Number 2. Ugreen CM219 Docking Station. The Ugreen 4-port USB 3.0 hub is a compact and portable device designed to enhance connectivity by expanding a single USB-A 3.0 port into 4 additional USB-A 3.0 ports, allowing for simultaneous use of multiple peripherals such as keyboards, mice, and external drives. With a data transfer speed of up to 5 gigabits per second, users can quickly transfer large files in seconds. This hub is universally compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, and iOS, and features plug-and-play functionality for effortless setup. Built from durable ABS material, it includes safety features such as overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection, ensuring the safety of connected devices. Its sleek design and lightweight construction make it ideal for use at home, in the office, or while traveling, making it a versatile accessory for anyone needing reliable connectivity on the go. Number 3. Ugreen CM512 Docking Station. The Ugreen USB-C hub is a versatile docking station that offers 7 ports, including HDMI, card reader, and RJ45 Ethernet capabilities, making it an ideal solution for expanding connectivity for various devices. Compatible with multiple operating systems such as Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, and iPad OS, this hub supports USB 3.1 standards for high-speed data transfer. It is designed for ease of use, featuring a plug-and-play setup and a range of optional port configurations to suit different needs. Ugreen backs its product with a 1-year warranty, a 7-day return policy for quality issues, and a commitment to prompt customer service, ensuring a reliable and satisfactory user experience. Number 4. Ugreen CM495-15375 Docking Station. The Ugreen USB-C hub is a highly versatile docking station designed to expand connectivity for laptops and other devices, featuring 9 ports that include USB-A, HDMI, and card reader functionalities. Compatible with a broad range of operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, iOS, iPad OS, and Android, it caters to diverse user needs. Their hub boasts a powerful PD 3.0 port that delivers up to 100 W for charging, along with a 4K at 60Hz HDMI port that supports HDR and 3D visuals, ensuring a premium multimedia experience. Additionally, it includes SD and TF card reader slots for efficient data transfer, while USB 3.0 ports provide rapid 5 gigabits per second connectivity for peripherals. With its sleek design, plug-and-play functionality, and lightweight construction, the Ugreen USB-C hub is an essential accessory for professionals and creatives, making it perfect for use at home, in the office, or on the go. Number 5. Ugreen CM866 for 5366 Docking Station. The Ugreen Dual HDMI USB-C hub is a powerful 10-in-1 docking station that enhances connectivity for a wide range of devices, including laptops, game consoles like Nintendo Switch and Steam Deck, and various operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, and Chrome OS. Featuring 10 ports, including dual HDMI ports that support 4K resolution at 60 Hz, USB-A, USB-C, SD, TF card slots, and a gigabit RJ45 Ethernet port, it provides high-speed data transfer of up to 10 gigabits per second through USB 3.2 Gen 2. Their hub supports simultaneous reading and writing of 2 SD cards and includes 100W power delivery for fast charging. Built with protective measures against voltage shocks and overcurrent, this hub ensures safe and efficient operation. With a sleek design and plug-and-play functionality, it is ideal for both home and professional use, making it a versatile accessory for anyone needing expanded connectivity options.